When scientists are investigating an exoplanet looking for signs of life, one of the things they'll look for is water. I'm going to show you how water falls on the planet Earth as rain using a beaker of water, some shaving foam and some blue food colouring. So our water actually represents our atmosphere in this case. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of a lot of different layers, but up in the higher layers we have clouds. Clouds are made from water vapour that has evaporated from the surface water on the planet Earth and risen up into the air. After a while that water will condense inside the cloud, forming little droplets, and that will then start to fall down to Earth in the form of rain. So our water is representing our atmosphere, our shaving foam is representing our clouds, and then our blue food colouring is representing the condensed water as it makes its way from the top of the cloud down to the bottom and then falls through the atmosphere. Water, as far as we know, is an essential thing for living things, no matter where they live on the planet Earth, and we're assuming that if everything follows the same sort of rules, it will also be essential for life on other planets.